Hello YouTubers, today we will install wine staging. Everybody knows what is a wine. Wine helps you run Windows programs under Linux, but wine staging is the wine's development version, which basically their bug fixing and patching is quite fast, and I usually find wine staging better for my applications and games for Windows than the older stable versions. If we check, in order to install it, we have to go to the winehq website, wine staging. If we search in Google, first link. Here they say what is wine staging. I find it better, especially for the newer games, which requires quite extensive 3D features, 3D accelerations, etc. If we want to install it, we have to follow these instructions. We find Mageia 4 and 5. We clicked, and just we have to follow the steps. First we have to import the signature key. Since I already did it, here is my key, but I will go to show you the commands more. First we have to go as root, as they suggest. First command is this one, wget, which is indicated here. Then we import the key, the following command, rpm import release key. Then there's for two versions, 32-bit and 64-bit, and since I'm using Mageia 5, we will use only these two commands. The first is to import the 32-bit, and the 64-bit is the second one. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Just click enter after you write the commands. Then we have to run the final command here. Click enter, it will update the repos. I should mention that if you have already installed wine from the official repos, and if you want to keep it, then you have to install winehq-staging. Actually, wine staging. I will tell you right now what I mean. If we go to our software management, and since we already imported the winehq repos, right now you'll see that there's two versions of wine staging. Let me expand. Here we go. We have wine staging, and we have also winehq. If you want to have on your computer only one wine and this is wine staging, you have to install winehq and remove your old wine. If you want to keep both, you have to install wine staging. I would suggest installing 32-bit because most of the games that you probably have for Windows are 32-bit or programs, but if you want to run a 64-bit programs, you want to install also this one, 64-bit, but I usually install only 32-bit. So this is the difference between winehq and staging and wine staging, just there's no suffix hq. And That's it, that's all. One thing before, if you have both wines, or official wine or stable wine from the official repos of Mageia, and you want to keep this and in addition install the winehq-staging, in order to use winehq-staging you have always use the command opt winehq-staging bin wine and then following your program. Otherwise it will run in your official wine. So thanks for watching and see you next time.